Should anything happen to me, the National Commissioner, General Masimula, will be responsible. I thank you. I want to give a brief statement to the nation today. I want to talk about the police visit that happened last night at my flat. At 7 o'clock in the evening yesterday, the police visited my flat and I was not available. My brother was only available, remained behind. They knocked, banged the door, and my brother, when he opened the door, they thought it was me. They called my brother as Cedric. They entered the flat. There were plus or minus 15 to 20 wearing camouflage and with balaclava cover their faces with a high caliber rifles. They entered my flat and they thought my brother was myself, and they demanded to search the flat without showing any warrant or any search warrant. When the brother is asking them to show a search warrant, they started to assault him with the firearms butt. They started to assault him thinking it was me, asking about where is the search warrant, because they could not show the search warrant. And then they started to search my flat upside down until my brother had to produce his identity document to show that it was not him, it was not me. That is when they stopped assaulting him. It means they were assaulting me in a nutshell. Then they started to inquire, where is Cedric, the chief of staff? They started to ask my brother, do you see what is happening on TV? Then my brother said to them, no, I hardly watch television. They were driving 3 cars, one BMW and one Ford SUV and the Kumbi. Then they demanded my brother as to he must take them to show where I was. And my brother said he think I'm at a nearest estate. Then they forced him against his will. They dragged him down from that floor. They dragged him to the cars, assaulting him again, forcing him to go and show where I was after they finished searching the house. Then they went to the estate where I was, and unfortunately to them, they could not gain access. Then they had to drive back to drop my brother. And on the way, they are saying they cannot come all the way from KZN for nothing. We must get the chief of staff. And when the brother is asking, what is it going on? Why you want him? Why are you assaulting me? Then they said, we are here. We are being sent by the National Commissioner, General Masimula, to come and look for the chief of staff. Then they went back to my flat where they dropped my brother in pain, terrified, traumatized. That is when he got a chance to contact me. Then he relayed the story that what happened. And he was very traumatized, terrified, the way he was assaulted by police wearing balaclava. And I advised him to go to the hospital, of which he did.